Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix your content promotion with Medium easy tutorial step by step clearly.
Begin by creating a Medium account if you don't already have one. Visit medium.com and click on Get Started. Enter your email address or sign up with a social media account.
Once you're on your dashboard, familiarize yourself with the layout. Click on your profile picture at the top right corner to access your settings. Here, you can customize your profile with a bio, photo, and links to your other platforms.
Now, it's time to write your first article. Click on New Story to open the writing interface. Craft an engaging title that captures your audience's attention.
Write clear and informative content that provides value to your readers.
Use subheadings to break up sections and enhance readability.
Incorporate images, videos, or links that support your article's message.
Once satisfied with your draft, edit for clarity and grammar.
Next, choose relevant tags to help users find your content. Consider topics that relate to your article and that are popular on Medium. Before publishing, preview your story to ensure it appears as you envision. When ready, hit the Publish button. After publishing, share your article on your social media channels. Engage with readers by responding to comments on your piece. Join Medium publications that align with your writing to reach a broader audience. Submit your article to those publications following their specific guidelines. Monitor the performance of your articles through Medium's stats feature. Use the insights gained to refine your content strategy for future posts. Experiment with different styles, topics. Continuously network with other writers and readers on Medium to build your following. Stay active on the platform by reading and clapping for other stories. By following these steps, you can effectively promote your content using Medium. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.